Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at MongoDB? This is ticker MDB. Now, MDB has been in a long, choppy range for a couple of years, but just recently we've seen some choppy consolidation in the market. And when we have choppy consolidation in the market, I like to scout out good relative strength. And a lot of times that just means looking for a stock that's above all the key moving averages while the market is chopping in and around some of their key moving averages. And that's exactly what MDB has been doing here the last couple of weeks. You can see it gapped up in August on earnings, gapped up on some of the biggest volume that it's had in years. It's held that gap and for the last couple of weeks has been consolidating this move in and around the 8-day and 21-day exponential period moving averages. So what I want to see from Mongo is a breakout of this consolidative base and a move through 335 and a close above 335 coming on volume. Now you can define your risk on this trade just by using the 21-day exponential period moving average at around 318, at least to start, and then you'll want to move that stop up as the trade works in your favor. But I would certainly have an alert on Mongo at around 335. Look for a strong move and a close coming on volume. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that video is helpful. And check us out at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.